So welcome back students. So the question is why water is regarded as a compound. See, we have earlier we have discussed about what is compound. See, compound is a substance which is combined by two different kind of atom in fixed ratio. So in case of water, it is also act as a compound. Why? Because hydrogen and oxygen are mixed with each other, because this is a different element or different atoms, and these different atoms are combined in a fixed ratio, that is 1:8. So this is the main or important point, why water is regarded as a compound. And another is supporting point is, in case of, we know that the properties of the compound, in formation of the compound, the structures, that will be your homogeneous, the compositions earlier I have discussed, that is the fixed ratios of their weight, and the properties concerned, the properties of the compounds are entirely different from the properties of their constituents. Means the properties of the water is completely different from hydrogen and oxygen, and it having some definite set of separation technique, like that by it cannot be divided, or it cannot be separate the particles by any kind of physical method which are being applied in case of mixtures. So that type of separation technique will not apply in case separation of the constituent particles in compound. Means in case of compound, it having some definite separation technique like electrolysis. So these are the things in higher classes you will learn. Up to this you have to see your thoroughly go through your book, and clearly you have understood the each and every point. And I will upload the exercise part also, and your work is not only you will depend on the exercise, but also depends on your textbook, because textbook is very important thing. So many of the questions will come from this chapter, because this is very basic thing: compound, mixtures, elements. Okay, and I will very soon I will start the biologies also. Okay, so till then you have to go through these chapters. Thank you.